Hey everybody, how are you doing? I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving with loved ones. And I'm just coming on to give a reminder for anyone that's interested in joining me on December 1st for our Christmas holiday home tour collaboration. So again, you can have your video up anytime during that day and show everyone your beautiful homes. So again, guys, the home tour collaboration for Christmas this year, 2018, will be on December 1st. Anyone that's interested, just leave me a message in the description box below. Have a wonderful day, guys. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.